If someone was having a heart attack, would you know how to stop it? Do you know the signs of a heart attack? Check them out here. As you can see, men and women have similar symptoms, but also differing symptoms. So pay attention to those. What a heart attack looks like. Here's what you can do to stop one using cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon in a cup of hot water. As long as the person is conscious, you can feed them this tincture until they start coming to. And I'm going to tell you how this happens and what's inside cayenne pepper that stops heart attacks. So cayenne pepper has something called capsaicin, which is a stimulant, a circulation stimulant. But what is really special about cayenne pepper is that it doesn't do what pharmaceutical does. So it doesn't increase hyperactivity, it does not increase high blood pressure, and it does not increase heart palpitations. And you can continue to use it without having any of these side effects. So like I said before, 1 teaspoon in a cup of hot water, and it's given to the person as a tea or tincture as we call it. And yeah, so that's how you start a heart attack. Make sure you look for signs, because this could be very useful, because sometimes help doesn't arrive in time. And with what's going on in the world right now, it's important to know these things. So I hope this video helped. Make sure you follow for more and click the like button. Thank you.